going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So we're having a birthday party for the girls today, and one of the things they wanted for their birthday is for me to do free credit repair for 5 people. Yes, 5 people. But the catch is it has to be 5 people together. So if you want to sign up, you need to ask 4 of your friends to sign up with you. All you got to do is go to my website, sign up for Credit Repair Solutions, and then sign up for My Free Score Now. But use the link on the website for the My Free Score Now, and then comment on this video, and we'll get started right away. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Hope y'all have a great day. I will do my best to go live at some point today, maybe, if I can. But sorry about the kids yelling, y'all. They're excited. But anyway, y'all have a great day.